Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, distinguished participant of SIG Borobudur International Symposium 2024. Thank you so much for this opportunity to share, to present my research. My name is Piska Aditya Rusyadi, and I am presenting on behalf of my team, Muhammad Iksan. We are from Department of Electrical Engineering, Universitas Ahmad Dahlan, Yogyakarta. Our research title Prototype of Early Warning System for Flood Disaster Detection and Mitigation based on Internet of Things. This research is funded by Universitas Ahmad Dahlan Internal Grant 2024. The first one, we will talk about the background of this research. Indonesia, as we all know, is highly prone to natural disasters, particularly flooding. Floods often occur unexpectedly, leaving communities unprepared and resulting in significant losses. Currently, the early warning systems are often insufficient, leading to delayed response. So for this problem, we propose an IoT-based flood early warning system. The system leverage real-time data and early warnings to help communities better prepare for potential flooding. And then we will talk about the method of this research. To develop this system, we utilized both hardware and software component. The hardware component consists of the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, measure water levels, and then the water flow sensor to detect discharge and volume of the water, and Node MCU ESP8266 serves as a microcontroller, and LED and a buzzer provide visual and audible alerts. So as you can see in this picture, block diagram actually, the diagram block of the design of early warning system for flood detection based on Internet of Things. The explanation of the block diagram is that the sensor HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor will measure the distance value of the water level, and the water flow sensor here will calculate the discharge and volume of the water. Then the data or the value from the reading of all of the two sensors will be sent to microcontroller here, named Node MCU, which will process the data or value that will be output on the LCD here, which or value that will be output in LCD and on the smartphone in the Blink application. So in the other hands, we can install the Blink application in our smartphone by using Android system, and from that application we can monitor the result of this system. And then the buzzer will sound and the LED light up according to the condition when it reached a certain height value. And then the software, we program the system by using Arduino IDE, and real-time data is displayed on the Blink application, enabling remote monitoring. So we can monitor from the other part, the other place by using Blink application that already installed in our smartphone. And then if we share about the flowchart for designing an early warning system here, so start with connecting an internet connection for the Node MCU, and Node MCU will reconnect to the internet if it is not already connected, and not FCU will read the input value of the condition of the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor and water flow sensor after being connected when the reading of the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor detection value. And then after that, the not MCU will process based on the situation, based on the value that already setting up in our system. And the not MCU will read the input value of the water level sensor reading, where the sensor will calculate the discharge and volume water. Then all this result will be displayed on LCD application and also from on Blink application that already installed to in our smartphone. The next part is about research result. So our testing yielded the following result. The first one, the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor demonstrated an error of 1.70% for solid object and 3.17% for water level detection. So I think about the ultrasonic sensor performance, I think it's very good because the error is still under than 5%. And then the water flow sensor show a 3.48% error for volume calculation and a 6.59% error for discharge measurement. The system provided clear visual and audible alert. So we have three conditions here, as you can see here. If the condition is safe, a green LED indicates no immediate danger. If the condition is warning, a yellow LED flashes and the buzzer sounds intermittently. And then the last one, if the situation is danger, a red LED illuminates and the buzzer emits a continuous alarm. And data was displayed in real time on an LCD and the Blink application that already installed in our smartphone. And then the last part is about conclusion. In conclusion, our IoT-based fluid detection system effectively detect water level and flow rates with acceptable accuracy. The accuracy is still under than 5%. So I mean, the error still under than 5%. So the accuracy is about 95%. I think it's still good. And the system provides early warning, ensuring communities have ample time to respond to potential flood events. Future research could focus on integrating the system with large-scale disaster management infrastructure to enhance its impact. So we are excited about the potential application of this research and looking forward to any question or feedback you may have. I think that's all of our presentation today. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.